Welcome to Mayhew Tools. My name's Craig Rivest. I'm joined today with Eric Mills, Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Eric, can you tell us a little bit about Mayhew Tools?
Absolutely, Craig. Mayhew Tools was established in 1856 on the banks of the Deerfield River in Shelburne Falls. We proudly made in the USA since that time. Today we're in Turners Falls, Massachusetts, and we still are manufacturing the things that we're known for, which are punches, chisels, and pry bars.
Speaking of pry bars, you have a Dominator Pro lineup. New to the Mayhew Tool lineup?
Yes, we do.
Can you tell me a little bit about that?
So the Dominator series is one of our most popular series of pry bars. That's a 2 composite handle. The new Dominator Pro, still 2 composite, is also trilobular, which provides better ergonomics, less hand fatigue while you're using the product. The Dominator series, what's made it kind of its earmark is the cap on the top, which meets the shaft inside the handle.
So that's a striking cap?
It is. So the force of the blow goes down through the cap into the blade and is absorbed by the blade instead of the handle.
And I bet you a lot of technicians will thank you for that.
I'm sure they will.
And where can people find out more about the Dominator Pry Bar?
People can go to our website, mayhew.com, to find out more about the Dominator and our complete line of hand tools.
And you can also subscribe to the Mayhew YouTube channel. Click on the banner right up here, and you'll see future videos of new tools and more product lineup.